The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Life is short. The fruit of this life is a good character and acts for the common good. Everything that happens as it should, and if you observe carefully, you will find this is to be so. To live the good life, we have the potential for it if we can learn to be indifferent to what makes no difference. How ridiculous and how strange to be surprised at anything which happens in life. Live out your life in truth and justice, tolerant of those who are neither true nor just. We live only now. Everything else is either past or is unknown. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. It is the person who continues in his self-destruction and ignores who is harmed. To love only what happens, what distant, no greater harmony. No man can escape his destiny. The next inquiry the being how he may best live the time that he has to live. Do not act as if you were going to live 10,000 years. Death hangs over you while you live, while it is in your power. Be good. Stop whatever you're doing for a moment and ask yourself, am I afraid of death because I won't be able to do this anymore? About death, whether it is a dispersion or a resolution into atoms. Let each thing you would do, say, or intent be like that of a dying person. The memory of everything is very soon overwhelmed in time.